I got a situation, I'm guessing you had something similar. Let's talk about it. I have a light that I absolutely cannot get to and I need a tool to resolve it. So where is that light? There it is up there, all the way up there. I got a tool. I don't know if it works yet or not. Let's go get it and see if we can fix this light. Okay, so this is an absolutely enormous pole. You can see all the extensions on there. So we can extend it all the way up there, and it is nice and light, so that should be a good plus. On the end of this pole, we could put a large grabber like this, which I think we can try up there. Or we could go with the suction cup option, which I always wondered, how did you get the suction cup off once you put it up there? And look, ingeniously, it comes with a string, pulls that, releases the suction. How smart is that? And then finally this device, which is, let me show you, this is for like regular light bulbs, which we're not working with today. How about that? You do that, screw it in, pull it off, and you have a new light bulb. I think that's pretty darn cool. I like that a lot. Well, let's see if we can change the big old light bulb up here. Let's start with this attachment. Just looks more secure to me. I'm just not sure I have enough room to get this on. As an additional feature, you will see here, there's a little thumb twisty, which locks this in place so it doesn't loosen when you go like that. All right, let's go take a look up here. All right, one extension. So I could go 4 times as high. Here we go. Oh, it went right around. Oh. First little problem is, remember I told you this little thing, you gotta tighten it down pretty good, otherwise it loosens up. Okay, that didn't work, not because this didn't work, but because my damn light's broken up there. Let's go try it in light in the house. All right, I got that replacement bulb here. Let's get it centered, so I got it screwed in there, right? Okay, that's on there, good. Now we get to actually use this string gadget that we talked about. You just make sure I unwind it without tangling it. Okay, so I've moved inside where this light bulb here over the stairs is out. So I'm gonna have to use this pole to fix this. Let's see if I can get it to work here. All right, so this one definitely calls for the suction cup. Tighten that down. Little bit of love always helps a suction cup. Okay, I can say this because I bought this. This isn't sponsored. Whoever packaged this string is a little bit of a sadist. Trying to untangle this thing and open it was a little crazy. And I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to store this without tangling it again, but I don't care if it works to get this light bulb back in. Let's give it a shot. So you gotta untangle the string because for obvious reasons, the string wraps around the post. All right, here we go. You ready, everybody? Oh, no way. Okay, so my first experiment was obviously a failure because my light fixture was loose. Who knew that? But we retested here and it worked perfectly on every level. Even the string, which I was a little questionable about how well it would release the light bulb, totally work perfectly. So if you have crazy light bulbs that you need to replace, click this link right here or worst case down in the description. Doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps the channel out if you get this from that link, because as I said, this doesn't cost you anything extra, and as I said, this is not sponsored. So the only way I could get more cool gadgets like this is if you use our link. So I'm gonna say thank you in advance. If this has been helpful, remember to give this thing a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more cool videos like this. If you have any questions about how to do this or how to fix the light fixture that I broke, put it in the comments and I'll try to help you out. I hope this video has been helpful. See you in the next one.